This is my third lecture in matrices. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will study the conjugate of a matrix. If I is equal to root of minus 1, then z is equal to x plus iy is called a complex number where x and y are real numbers. If z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar is equal to x minus iy is called the conjugate of the complex number. So z into z bar is equal to x plus iy into x minus iy. After multiplication, it gives x square plus y square, where there is no I. It is a pure real number. So z into z bar is equal to x square plus y square is real. And if z is equal to z bar, that is x plus iy is equal to x minus iy, then iy is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0, that is also z is real. Conversely, if z is real, then z bar is equal to z. If z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar is equal to x minus iy, then z bar is equal to x plus iy equal to z. So also z1 plus z2 bar is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar, and z1 into z2 bar is equal to z1 bar into z2 bar, where z1 bar is the conjugate complex of z1 and z2 bar is the conjugate complex of z2. Now, conjugate of a matrix definition. The matrix obtained from the given matrix A in replacing its element by the corresponding conjugate complex numbers is called the conjugate of A and is denoted by A bar. So thus if A is equal to Aij M cross N matrix, then A bar is equal to Aij bar M cross N matrix, where Aij bar defined as conjugate complex of Aij. If A be a matrix of the field of real numbers, mind it here. If A is a matrix over the field of real numbers, then A is equal to A bar. Then above, A bar coincide with A. A and A bar is the same for the matrix of real numbers. Now take an example. A is equal to 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 7i, and 8. And in the second row, it is minus I, 6, 9 plus I. Then A bar is 2 plus 3i becomes 2 minus 3i, and the 4 minus 7i becomes 4 plus 7i. 8 as real numbers, it remains as usual. Then minus I becomes plus I, 6 remains as it is, and 9 complex number 9 plus I becomes 9 minus I. So you next, if A bar and B bar are the two conjugate of A and B respectively, then show that A bar the bar is equal to A, and A plus B the bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. And if A bar and k into a whole bar is equal to k into a bar, k being an any complex number, and ab whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar, a and b being conformable to multiplication, a and b being conformable to multiplication. Now proof. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N matrix, then A bar is equal to Aij bar within same same size, that is M cross N, where Aij bar is the conjugate complex of Aij. Obviously, both A and Aij bar are of the same type M cross N. Now, the ijth element of A bar the bar, ijth element of A bar the bar are matrix A bar the bar is equal to the conjugate of a complex of the ijth element of A bar is equal to the conjugate of Aij bar, and this is equal to Aij bar the bar is equal to Aij is equal to ijth element of A. So then we can write it as A bar the bar is equal to A bar. And the others are given. You can do it saying the examples as given on your screen. Now we will deal with the transpose conjugate of a matrix. Transpose conjugate of a matrix. The transpose conjugate of a matrix A is called the transpose conjugate of A and is denoted by A theta or by A star. A theta or by A star. Obviously, the conjugate of the transpose of A is being same as the transpose of the conjugate of A. That is, at first take the transpose and then take the conjugate is equal to first take the conjugate and then the transpose, and both are is equal to a to the power theta. If A is equal to Aij M cross N, then A theta is equal to Bji. A theta is equal to Bji, where Bji is equal to Aij bar. That is, the jith element of A theta is equal to the conjugate complex of the ijth element of A. If A is equal to given on your screen, then A dash, that is transforming rows into columns, at the columns into row, we can get A dash as 1 plus 2i in first column, 2 minus 3i, 3 plus 4i in the second column as shown on your screen. Then A dash the bar, then putting a bar on a bar on A dash, that is the complex numbers changes, that is 1 plus 2i becomes, after taking the bar, 1 minus 2i, and 4 minus 5i becomes 4 plus 5i, and the real numbers 8 remains as usual. Then 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i, 5 minus 6i becomes 5 minus 6i, 5 plus 6i, and so 5 plus 6i becomes 5 minus 6i, and so on. Now, if A theta and B theta are transpose conjugate of A and B respectively, then these are very, very important theorems given. A theta, the theta is equal to A, and A plus B theta is equal to A theta plus B theta, where A and B being the matrix of the same size. K A theta is equal to K into A theta, and A B theta is equal to B theta A theta, A and B being conformable to multiplication. Now, A theta, that theta can be written as A bar dash and then bar and then dash. So this is equal to A bar, the bar, since A bar dash again dash, A bar dash the dash is equal to A bar, and A bar the bar is equal to A. So A theta to the power theta is equal to A. Now A plus B theta can be written as A plus B dash transpose and then conjugate. This can be written as A plus B dash can be written as A dash plus B dash and then the transpose. This is equal to A dash the bar plus B dash the bar, and this is equal to A theta plus B theta. Similarly, Ka theta can be written as Ka dash whole bar, and Ka dash the bar is equal to Ka dash the bar is equal to Ka theta. Now, AB theta can be written as AB dash bar is equal to AB dash can be written as B dash into A dash the bar is equal to B dash bar into A dash bar is equal to B theta and A theta. Thus, the reversal law holds for the transpose conjugate. So, today this much only. Thank you.